Sorry, I gotta make this quick. I'll be going creek, going out for second sled session of the season. It's about 6 inches here in the snow park. Snow's pretty soft, it's wet. Anyways, time to go. It's go time.
Follow my track, it's awesome!
This one flies with her bullets and the hot kicks get off around with.
Lights on, not wide, no Kermit, no cry. Just a title, Damon dating JPEG online. No complaining if your game got tired. Love is only coming half circle in this arcade. Hot five, baby, drop the smile. Put a light into the passive ones. Don't know what you paid to get your temporary balance from. City of cowards and clock towers and Gatling guns. But only motherfuckers shooting here is Adam Dunn. Or definitely Eli on the B-sides. Got a little more than buzz outside the beehive. And when it's feeling like it's going off for nothing, it's always something that kicks my blood from stand still to running. And these Pumas were meant for jumping. This music was meant for my crew to jump with. This lifetime was meant for my people to dubstep. And I'm living in the moments that were only meant to grin and say fuck it. Cause many better men walk with something's up and still know how to chickadee check a chin with a tiger uppercut. It's more than understood, enough isn't enough, but it's a free refill, get your cup.
Whether or not you like it, this one flies with her bullets and the hot kicks get off or ride with Tucson homeless and wildly like it right here and get it, got it, cry feet on like a light switch. When we get down, 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 we get down.
Lately I've been feeling like I walk too tall for a couple twin cities that could feel this small. 10,000 lakes, half as many people in the country, so cowardly we don't deserve it even as a representative. So pop another sedative, find a couch, turn on TV, claim that it's all relative. We came to make a point to people on the take now. We don't wait for shut doors, lately we break them down. And they say where's the proof? It ain't easy being disregarded in this resolute. Perseverance is the best that we can do because we don't make excuses in the 6-1. We damn well double dare you to drop a record that ain't fortified and tight enough to stand up under pressure. You better be dead and not breathing. We some heathens who start our days cold and end up freezing by the evening.
Didn't need to stay removed, I got my blues removed. Sticking to the mold original reds and whites reused.
Street fighter fire starter swift with a bic lighter. Catch me on the flip side spinning like a used
now
tire.
I must definitely see to what I need and have to see to and make sure my word is heard without speakers that speak through.
Still testing, 1, 2, 3, one breath from freezing to death in January.
Yes, my actions are the only translator because trying to read me is like trying to read a black Sharpie or black paper.
Fitting his wake, small building the tank, playing Ruby Lopez chess. I got moves to make.
Just when you thought you had the tank.
End of the day, much better than I thought it was going to be today. Having a corn dog. Might I suggest, if you're coming back from the pass, stop by Lee's Summit Grocery, get a ham dip corn dog, or go to Pie to the People. Day 2, that was it. So we got some pretty good lines. I was pretty surprised. I didn't think it was gonna be good at all after riding west on Friday,
No Kermit, no cry, just a title, Damon dating
which is pretty garbage.
If your game got tired, love is only coming half circle in this arcade. Hot five, baby, drop the smile, put a light into the passive ones. Don't know where you paid to get your temporary balance from. City of cowards and clock towers and Gatling guns, but only motherfuckers shooting here is Adam Dunn. Or definitely Eli on the B-sides. Got a little more than buzz outside the beehive.
Garbage. I didn't think it was gonna be that great, but we got out to our favorite early season zone, went to Land of the Lost, and we delivered. So much better than expected. Got first backcountry lines of the year. That was super sick. And found a really fucking sketchy looking badass new line.
Oh, closer! Oh shit!
But look good. Look good. That's it. Day 2. Got some turns in. Hit some backcountry. Got a corn dog. No complaints. Got to ride with pretty much the whole crew. Had Swappy, Clemmy, Ian, and Hale Man. Pretty badass. Pretty stoked. Thanks for watching.